Productivity is no longer constrained to your company's physical campus. Mobile devices enable workers to stay constantly connected outside of the perimeter and to work on their own terms. But this flexibility also introduces usage-based risks, such as access to inappropriate content or excessive data use. Jamf Data Policy provides your business with the insights and policy controls to effectively manage always-on connections, while ensuring that users maintain the connectivity they require to stay productive. Here's how it works. Company devices send traffic through our cloud gateway, where data volumes are measured and requests to access the internet are vetted before being allowed to cross. Optional policies such as data compression can be applied in the gateway. This ensures that bandwidth is maximized and that users experience fast connectivity to the web. Jamf provides real-time insights into data usage and any mitigated risks. For administrators, usage reporting is presented through a highly configurable interface. This allows IT teams to drill into specific groups of devices, users, or even network interfaces. Additional views enable admins to access data in formats that best meet their needs. You can visualize data through application-oriented, roaming-focused, or even category-based reports. For organizations that want to enforce acceptable use policies, Jamf's content filtering is easy to configure and manage across the entire organization. The service uses application categories to manage policies. These categories apply to both web applications, accessed via the browser, and native mobile apps that are installed on end-user devices. Whether you want to block access to adult content for all workers, or limit access to social media by specific departments, Jamf Data Policy allows a powerful set of options to be configured. You can even add your own sites and apps to our custom allow and block lists for finer-grained controls. For real-time control over data usage, Data Policy allows admins to configure specific data settings for all users. These details are then used to manage the data consumption by individual users or groups that share data plans. Organizations can configure data thresholds, define cap rules, and even customize the notifications end users receive when policy actions are triggered. The administrative portal is straightforward and intuitive. It's a one-stop shop for enrolling and managing devices, setting policies, and reporting. Users and devices can be enrolled automatically when used in conjunction with a device management solution, or via a simple invite pushed out through the portal. The service is intuitive to use and non-invasive by design. The end-user app is lightweight, allowing users to stay productive while keeping them safe from usage-oriented risks. For organizations that have embraced mobility and empowered workers with connectivity outside of the physical campus, Jamf Data Policy provides a comprehensive suite of real-time usage insights and complementary policy controls that restore your ability to effectively manage risk and keep workers productive while on the go.